Assalamualaikum to Doctor and my fellow friends. My name is Nur Imanina Zarifah binti Abdul Halim. My matrix number A22A1107. For this subject, macroeconomics, my group get the study case number 3, that aggregate expenditure and equilibrium. So the question is given by the table 2. It shows that national income and total consumption before and after pandemic COVID-19 during the 2019 and 2022 for Malaysia. Given the value, autonomous consumption, planned investment and also government expenditure is RM1 billion each. So, the question that my part is A1, find the value of tax. To find the value of tax is T, we must use the formula disposable income. It's YD. So, the function is T equal to Y minus YD. What is T? T is tax, Y is national income, and YD is disposable income. So, we must take the value from the table is given by the question. Example, quarter 1 2019. So we take T equal to T 3000 minus 2000. So the answer is 1000 billion RM. So here the answer is value of tax T is 1000 billion RM.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris Ikram bin Muhammad Faizal. I will present consumption function. Consumption function C equal A plus B YD. C consumption function, A autonomous consumption, B marginal propensity to consume. CQ2 2019 RM 3250 billion, YQ2 2019 RM 4000 billion. So B or MPC equal to consumption change over income change, national income change. 3250 billion minus 2500 billion over 4000 billion minus 3000. We got 0.75. Next, TQ2 2019 equal 4000 minus 3250 minus 1000 over 0.75. So we got 1000 billion. Consumption function 1000 billion plus 0.75 YD. So we got the graph here like this. Next, saving function. Saving function equal to negative A plus 1 plus B YD. As saving function, negative A autonomous saving, YD disposable income, B marginal propensity to consume MPC, C total consumption. Then saving function equal to national income minus consumption. So substitute the value, we got the answer. Saving function equal to negative 1000 plus 0.25 YD. So the saving function negative 1000 plus 0.25 YD, and the graph will be like this.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amira binti Daud. My matrix number is A22A1112. Find the equilibrium of national income using aggregate demand and aggregate supply. The formula is Y equal to C plus I plus G. Y stand for national income, C stand for consumption function, I stand for planned investment, and G stand for government expenditure. C is 1000 billion ringgit Malaysia plus 0.75 I is 1,000 billion ringgit Malaysia and G is 1,000 billion ringgit Malaysia too. In this case study, we have tax, so we should put Y minus T. T is 1,000 billion ringgit Malaysia. So, in this question, the answer is Y equal to 9,000 billion ringgit Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum to Madam D and my friends. My name is Nurul Anisa binti Zaharul Rizal and my matrix number is A22A1265. Next is about leakage and injection approach. For this topic, the formula is I plus G equal S plus T. I stand for 1000 billion, G stand for 1000 billion, S stand for negative 1000 billion plus 0.25 YD, T stand for 1000 billion. After the all calculate, the answer is RM 9000 billions.
So next, for question CI, based on the above statement, find new equilibrium of national income. Now, I can see the investment decreased to 5%. I stand for investment where I equal to 1,000 minus 1,000 times 5%, the total is 950 billion ringgit. In the statement has been stated the value of export 1,050 billion ringgit. So now we already got the value of investment 950 ringgit and government expenditure 1,000 and tax 1,000, export 1,050. After that, put all the numbers in equation. Y equal to C plus I plus G in bracket X minus M. So Y equal to 1,000 plus 0.75 YD plus 950 plus 1,000 plus 1,050. So next, settle the calculation. Y equal to 4,000 plus 0.75 in bracket Y minus T, where Y equal to 4,000 plus 0.75 Y minus 1,000 and Y equal to 4,000 plus 0.75 Y minus 750, Y equal to 3,250 plus 0.75 Y, Y minus 0.75 Y equal to 3,250, 0.25 Y equal to 3,050. So the total is Y equal to 13,000 billion ringgit.
Good day everyone, my name is Madhuneshwari Muniandi and my matrix number is A22A1152. So today I'm going to present my part, which is C2. So the question is, if full employment is RM 5,800 billion, does Malaysia face economic problems? So discuss your answer using a graph and suggest policy that the government should implement. Well, below graph is actually the output of the question. So based on the diagram, I actually indicates that Malaysia's economy is actually struggling with an economic issue which is known as the inflationary gap. So when the national income's level is actually greater than the level of full employment, then it actually creates an inflationary gap. So in an easier term, we actually can call it that the value of Y is greater than the value of YFE. So based on the graph, when the point y equals to AD and C plus I plus G plus X minus M and intersects at point E, the real national income is at equilibrium. So at the new equilibrium point, the value of national income is RM 13,000. So Next, when the point y equals AD intersects with C plus I plus G plus X minus M FE at point B is actually when the national income is at equilibrium. The equilibrium point of full employment actually denoted by Y, and the worth of it is RM 5,800 billion in national income. So overall, the full employment, the real national income is actually greater. So the fact that A and B have inflationary gap, the inflationary gap of AB will actually increase in general price level. Well, in this part, I'm going to talk about the ways that government could actually use or implement to reduce the inflationary gap issue. So, firstly, before that, I'm going to talk about why this inflationary gap issue actually occurs. So, increases in overall spending could be actually the cause of an inflationary gap. The excess of total expenditure over the aggregate supply at full employment is actually the inflationary gaps measurement. So, in order to overcome this issue, the aggregate money income must actually rise from 0YFE to 0Y, which is could be seen in the previous graph chart. It's actually in order to raise the overall level of prices and also close the inflationary gap. So the governments could actually take few steps to overcome this, which is could be the contractionary fiscal policy. Because to reduce the inflationary gap of AB, the government actually should implement this contractionary fiscal policy by reducing the government's expenditure or else by raising the taxes. So these are the ways, and finally, thank you.